Hey, good morning. My name is Matt Schwartz. I'm the Director of Business and Sales here at Lowell Manufacturing. We're the manufacturer of racks, audio, distributed audio, and rack accessories. And what I'd like to show to you today is our new offering, which is a lay-in tile speaker. This is partially perfed speaker. This happens to be a 1x2 full ceiling tile lay-in speaker, complete with a metal back can, UL approved, and ready for any sort of installation K through 12 or corporate integration that you might be after. And this is the fully perfed version of the same speaker, a little bit different look, but the very same speaker, same all metal bent, built in the United States in St. Louis, Missouri. And once again, my name is Matt Schwartz. I'm the Director of Sales and Business Development here at Lowell Manufacturing, and you can reach us at lowell.mfg.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.